Right, so for medase any other for medam say maje eyebre na aja mohwe eye the most authoritative show on social media and show ane ho ahi show nkofo pe akoye mixed bag of feelings, which is okay. Show no it's meant to have those reactions. Show no ese show mo ese show mo bufu show no ese mo ni beji it's okay. We welcome all reactions. Okay. But in all of it, we still maintain that For the Records is going to say things the way they are, without fear, without favor. We are not here to speak the mind of any individual. We are here to speak the mind of For the Records. Many exercise still remaining the Bombardier Field Marshal, Squadron Leader, Ranger Buffalo Royal, General Kabaka, Bomfadisha, and Mr. Cheredisha Mifra Santiago. Namia Santiago Yokohine. I am the youth president of the Republic. Now, I'm the youth president. They say, Eja, make a catchum youth, you, but still are the youth president. Bibia answer sign. Bibia answer sign. Young man, Tinana Yan share a Jumabia Yaba Bayanito. Ora Koku Anyido, our no year General Secretary, former Deputy General Secretary of the NDC, and in Sembia tour Afa Asiedu Nketia. Very damning, but we will talk about it later. Yeah, we are Maslok for minimum one. There is a conversation going on. Maslok for Momoji, but we will see the way and manner Maslok for the Jisika a year Eastern region. How absurd it is. Maslok, we have a conversation with Maslok. Nana Dankoku for the President of the Republic, any Oko event to be. Now, on the lighter side, also Hinibia and sorry, Brayabo national anthem. We will go and look at it. Now, the Okatakyie and I don't know. We will say it on the show. You're moving forward. Here we are. I told you that Obieso Amesokun, and I'm not leaving it. We are turning every BSC information free beer and the chairman Nipa said the Nisune the bind here in the person of Kevin Taylor. And then yes, I had the document for which is episode 1, in fact season 1, episode 5. And they Chira Hawa, Kevin Taylor Papa, AUSU, quote unquote fake document, fake name, and they call a J under John Dramani Mahama. Yebechiro sa adwuma we nyina obviously there are some lies here only we can into or tries to obey yebetiti ni nyina afri ho or say jandam comment and jandam ne yebeka ho asem ha or say yi na makoka se menyi sika bia mfiri obia ho na ma me free mo pare enu so yebedi sa ankomo no ha uni we ka if you don't have anything to say, you don't have anything to say. Mia sembia beka ye bia no. Me anam kai and I still stand by it today. Yeda won banko bia high For the Records. Me dey Okatakyie Afrifa mensa. Enko bia me basia. There is an expose by Koku Anyido, who is the former Deputy General Secretary of the NDC. Now, Odin Sembia to draw a very damning. Or say Riddle, who was in the business of constructing block factories, Tienyo, Iria, Yenti Kokwayido.
Supplying blocks to all government contracts. Came to build one here on the Dodowa Road. Look at how it has collapsed. Because it was built purposely to supply blocks to government contracts in the Eastern region.
Hold on. Koku Anyido is saying that baby amuhuno a block factory of a ubi, a riddle. Na ye bet join a door to one woman nipa walk and asem. Say nipa no na wa ye block factory, but some block factory no was purposely to supply a blocks to a government institutions. And this particular one, according to Koku Anyido, was meant to supply blocks for government institutions in the Eastern region. Yente Koku Anyido.
The block factory has collapsed. So they want power again. They can rebuild their block factories, create, loot, and share.
Hold on. So Koku Anyido is saying that NDC wants power again, and this is coming from the horse's own mouth. Sebi mpanimfo se bomochiche free insurance be ka kire o se odanchem awu a yenye no achinenye. Eti fokoko anyi do wu to say these people want power again. You better know who the block factory no any there and why he's saying that. Who say you can say NDC want power again. Say be ya ombetimi abe build the block factory to enrich themselves. Yentie nisi na yenhwe the block factory na any there.
Revolution is on. We will fight them with revolutionary spirit, probity, accountability, and integrity. Who bondog?
We Okatakyie Afrifa. So Mobakaya, General Asiedu Nketia, who is the current chairman of the NDC. Maybe Papa no, Bepanasem, General Asiedu Nketia is somebody I like.
For the record.
But me menton Jane so and some ba kan ye bekam so General Asiedu Nketia se Mobakaya na oye board chairman for a ye Bui Dam. Mobakaya sa blocks on wasem Professor Mills at time blocks on wasem we ba ya na wo mo say General Asiedu Nketia koton blocks bia ma Bui Bui construction no sa blocks ne bo den chain every block Mobakaya
sir.
Eti kokwa anyi do hu beso wo ka General Asiedu Nketia asem na wontimi nka I was a riddle who is in the business of constructing a year block factories when we are in power or say when we are in power and when we are no power ni free wo monsa no now block factory no agensem the money you want to say what say they are seeking for your power again just so they can now come back and do the same thing. And this is dangerous.
For the record.
This is dangerous.
For the record.
This is dangerous.
For the record.
For you to state that o party na wo free mono. Sa party na petumi said the be ya nkrofo be ba be block because block factory no per kokwa you statement agu and yen na hwe be a block factory no e wono a is not function. It's not functioning.
Sure.
It's not functioning.
Exactly.
And for that matter, you be say kokwa you do say kogu General Asiedu Nketia asem no a wo ka no ye de ehunu say ye ono a ye hunu. Now also we will fight them with revolutionary spirit, probity, accountability and social justice. These are the principles and the foundations on which J.J. Rawlings established the NDC. But it looks like J.J. Rawlings had the NDC J.J. Rawlings who with the NDC.
For the record.
I don't know what I say. And I never make Koku Anyedohu, Aneka. I never make. So for the records, Koku Anyedohu Afinga Asiedu Nketia in this block a year expose block scandal. And Chairman, we acquire bibi we can say manfesia ya we me de wawa kurani eye me papa ne Asiedu Nketia we me kan bibiri ahwe ya na akofa asomaba ye fansia ya ne yankoye nim